Here is how to connect this mixer amp to wireless microphone. Make sure to prepare the equipment. First, this mixer amp, wireless microphone, external device for music instrument, speaker, 3 TRS cable, USB power cable. Here is how to connect. Connect your USB power, then connect your wireless cable to this mixer amp. Connect the transmitter to this mixer amp to microphone channel. Then connect the external device for music instruments. And then connect the speaker to this mixer amp. Now you can adjust the master volume and also aux volume. Don't forget to switch microphone to 04 and adjust the microphone volume, then turn on your wireless microphone. Now your devices are connected. This mixer amp by hart.